Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet a fish. So to make this fish I have used single crochet stitches and made total 20 rounds to get this shape and size. You can use the fish in any of your home decoration. So before we start to make this fish, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see what all you need to make this fish. So to make this I am going to use this two colors of this embroidery thread, and for this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will need two small beads to make the eyes. Also you will need some fibers to stuff the body. So let's see how we are going to make this fish. So take first color thread, and with this thread we are going to make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 6 single crochet stitches. So make chain 1 and make 6 single crochets. So after 6 single crochet stitches, if you are working in magic ring, just pull this loose end of the ring to close. So round 1 is done and we have 6 stitches. Now here we are going to work directly in top of first stitch. So take your hook, so skip the first chain 1 and top of very first stitch take your hook and make 1 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch so you get to know the starting of the round. Then in top of next stitch make 2 single crochets. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, then in top of next stitch make 2 single crochets and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 9 stitches. So round number 2 is done and you can see we got this part. So this is going to be the pout for the fish. Now in round number 3, in next 9 stitches make 1 single crochets. So top of first stitch make 1 single crochet, place the marker in your first stitch, then top of next stitch make 1 single crochet. So 2. So like this in remaining 7 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 3 is done and we have 9 stitches. Now in round number 4, in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, 1, put the marker in your first stitch, then in next stitch 1 single crochet, 2, then in next stitch make 2 single crochets, 1 more in same space, so 2. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 2 single crochet and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 4 you will have 12 stitches. So round number 4 is done. Now in round number 5, in next stitch make 1 single crochet, put the marker in your first stitch, then in next stitch make 2 single crochets, 2. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 2 single crochets and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 5 you will have 18 stitches. So round number 5 is done and we have 18 stitches. Now in round number 6 we are going to work 1 single crochet in top of each stitch. So top of first stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 1 single crochet, then in next 1 single crochet. So like this make 1 single crochets in each stitch and complete round number 6. So at the end of round number 6 you will have 18 stitches. So round number 6 is done. Now in round number 7, in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, after 2 single crochet in next stitch make 2 single crochets, so in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 2 single crochet and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 7 you will have 24 stitches. So when you work on your last single crochet stitch, keep this 2 loop in your hook. Here we are going to attach our second color. So take the second color thread, hold the thread like this. Now grab the thread and pull through this 2 loop. Now pull the first color thread and cut with some margin. So with second color top of first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Keep this loose end top of your hook, so by that thread gets secure. Now grab the thread and pull through that and make 1 single crochet. Then in top of next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then in next 1 single crochet. So like this, make 1 single crochet in top of each stitch from the previous round and complete round number 8. So at the end of round number 8 you will have 24 stitches. So 24 stitches and round number 8 is done. Now in round number 9, in next 3 stitch, make 1 single crochet. So 3 single crochets. Then in next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch, make 2 single crochet and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 9 you will have 30 stitches. Round number 9 is done and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 10, in top of each stitch from our previous round we are going to make 1 single crochet. Then 1 single crochet in next stitch, then 1 single crochet. So like this, make 1 single crochets in top of each stitch and complete round number 10. When you work on your last single crochet, keep this 2 loop in your hook, and here we are going to again attach our first color thread. Cut the second color thread with some margin. So round number 10 is done and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 11 we are going to work with our first color. Now in next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So after 4 single crochets, in next stitch make 2 single crochets. So in this round we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 4 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 11 you will have 36 stitches. So round number 11 is done and we have 36 stitches. So top of first stitch, make one single crochet, place the marker, then in next stitch make one single crochet, then in next stitch one single crochet. So like this, make one single crochets in top of each stitch and complete round number 12 to 15. When you work in your last stitch here, keep this two loop in your hook. Again we are going to attach our second color. So in round number 16 and 17 we are going to work with our second color, and top of each stitch from round number 15 we are going to make one single crochet. So like this, make one single crochets in top of each stitch and complete round number 16 and 17. So round number 17 is done. At this point we are going to attach the eyes and stuff this gap with the fiber. So count the fourth row, 1 2 3 4. So in between the fourth and fifth row we are going to attach this bead on both the side. So I attach the beads in both the side and fill the fiber. Now in round number 18 we are going to work by taking stitches from both the side. So take your hook in top of first stitch here and take your hook in stitch just before the last stitch here and make one single crochet. Then in same stitch make two triple crochet stitches. So to make the triple crochets, take the thread 2 times in your hook. Now take your hook, the same stitch, now grab and pull the thread, so you will have 4 loop. Now grab the thread and pull through first 2 loop, then next 2 loop, and then last 2 loop. So by that we made one triple crochet. Make one more triple crochet in same space. So after 2 triple crochets in same space, make 3 double crochet stitches. Make 3 double crochet stitches. 1 2 more. So after 3 double crochets in same space, make 1 half double crochet. Same space, make 1 slip stitch. So by that we made this first fin. We are going to make one single crochets, and when you work one single crochet stitches, we are going to take both the stitch from both the side. So top of next stitch, take your hook, then take your hook on top of next stitch like this and make 1 single crochet. Then on top of next stitch, take your hook and top of next stitch of this side, take your hook and make one single crochet. So like this, make one single crochets till you reach to your last stitch. So once you complete all your single crochets and come to this very top space, here we are going to make, so take your hook in the same stitch where you made the single crochet and make one half double crochet. Then in same space make 3 double crochets. After 3 double crochets in same space make 2 triple crochets. After 2 triple crochets make one half double crochet and make one slip stitch. Now just pull this thread and cut with some margin. So we made 2 fins of the fish. Just secure this loose end. Now so this is the front side. You can see this single crochet stitches, so this is the back side. So at the front side, now count these 7 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So at the 7th stitch take your hook in the front loop. So this is the front loop. Here we are going to attach our second color thread. So take the second color thread and make chain 1. Then in same front loop where we have attached the thread, make one single crochet, 1. Then take your hook in the front loop of next stitch and make one single crochet, 2. Then take your hook in the front loop of next stitch and make one single crochet. So 3 single crochets. Now turn your work and here you can see this back loops of these 3 stitches. So work in that back loop and make one single crochets. So like this we have total 6 stitches, 3 in front side and 3 at back side. Now we are going to work in rounds. So take your hook, in top of first stitch, first single crochet of which we made in front side, and make 2 single crochets. Two single crochets. So like this, make 2 single crochets in top of each stitch. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 12 stitches. So 12 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 3 we are going to make 1 single crochets in top of each stitch. So total 12 stitches. So 12 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 4, top of next stitch, make 1 single crochet. I'm going to place the marker here. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. So repeat this stitches. In next stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 2 single crochet and work around. So round number 4 is done and we have 18 stitches. Now in round number 5, and it's going to be a last round, top of next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. So after 2 single crochets in next stitch make 2 single crochets, 1 and 1 more in same space, so 2. Now repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, in next stitch make 2 single crochet. So like this complete round number 5. On top of first stitch, make one slip stitch, pull this thread, cut with some margin, so we made this tail. Now just secure this thread. So this fish is ready. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.